Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete an Odoo website. This process is useful when you want to remove an old test website, clean up unused sites, or simplify an Odoo database that contains multiple website records. Before we begin, it's important to know that deleting a website in Odoo is a permanent action in many cases, so you'll want to make sure you're removing the correct site before confirming anything. If you manage multiple websites, taking a moment to double-check can help you avoid deleting the wrong one. It is also a good idea to create a backup of your database before making major administrative changes, especially when working with a live business website. To get started, the first thing you need to do is enable developer mode. This option gives you access to additional settings that are not always visible in the standard interface. Developer mode is designed for advanced configuration tasks, so it reveals technical menus and administrative controls that regular users may not need during everyday website management. From your Odoo dashboard, open the Settings area and then use the search bar to look for the word Developer. Once you find the option, click on Activate Developer Mode. After you do that, Odoo will refresh the interface and unlock the extra administrative tools needed for this process. If you do not see the option immediately, make sure you are signed in with an account that has the necessary administrator permissions. Once developer mode has been activated, go back to your main Odoo dashboard. From there, click on the Website app so you can access your website management area. This is where Odoo lets you view and manage the websites connected to your database. Depending on your setup, these may include your main company website, regional websites, online stores, landing pages, or temporary test sites. When you're inside the website section, look at the top menu and click on Configuration. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Websites. This will open the full list of websites currently available in your Odoo environment. On this page, you may also see useful details such as each website's name, domain, company, and language configuration, which can help you identify the correct site. If you only have one website, the choice will be simple. If you have several, take a second to review the list carefully so you can identify the exact website or websites you want to remove next. Pay close attention to websites with similar names, and check the associated domain or company whenever that information is available. Check the boxes next to the websites you want to delete. This selection step is important, especially if you're cleaning up old test sites or removing websites you no longer use. For example, you might have duplicate staging websites created during development or outdated sites that are no longer connected to an active domain. After selecting the correct entries, go to the top of the page and click on Actions. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. Make sure you use the Actions menu associated with the selected records, because this tells Odoo exactly which website entries should be removed. At this point, Odoo will proceed with the deletion action. Depending on your version or setup, you may be asked to confirm before the websites are removed. If that happens, just review the selection one last time and confirm the deletion only if you're sure. You should also remember that removing a website may affect related pages, menus, themes, domains, or e-commerce settings connected to that website. And that's it. Once completed, the selected Odoo websites will be deleted. You can return to the website list afterward to verify that the unwanted entries are no longer displayed. If you're managing a live system, it's always a good idea to be cautious with administrative actions like this, especially in developer mode. Whenever possible, test the process in a staging environment first, and keep a recent backup available in case you need to restore your database. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to delete an Odoo website. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing to Tutorly for more simple and practical Odoo guides.